Now here you go, here's the result. Before welding, tacking in place, that was a big distance. First step, I just put this washer and I tack it in place. So you see no level, just slightly here, but I'm not gonna be able to do it perfect. So I tack it in place, and so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna try to also reduce the space, the distance here. It's just slightly, not big huge difference, but it's slightly lifted up. I try to add this washer. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna give up on washers. I tried different options, and apparently this is the best position, so I'm gonna try to weld in place to tack it here and then take this out. I tack it, those bars in place, start to looking great. This is the update for today. Today I received this toolbox. Was essential for going forward, because I had to take the measures and see exactly how I'm gonna put everything in place. For the welder base, I use this what I had in the house, because I could not go shopping, so I cut this in twice too, and yeah, this is pretty much the idea. So now I have to find some bolts and put this in place, and then fix the welding machine. This, as you may see, have some drawers, and obvious I cannot open here. So what's the idea? I'm gonna have to buy some sliders. I don't know in English how exactly they call it. So in theory, this box will slide on this side and will go totally out until I'm gonna be able to just use the drawers. Without further ado, let's go ahead, and I'm not gonna leave as usual the image speak. The slider show up. On negative side, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about this. So you know, I don't have space, a big garage, and this will be most of the time outside. So as you might see, today was raining and it's already rusty. So I thought I'm gonna paint it all around. Cannot paint it here because it's not healthy when welding, I understand. So I'm gonna need to find a way to protect it, maybe just buy a cover or something like that.